Crypto holders, prepare right now. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction on the Bitcoin price. This is DC Trading. Let's get right into the charts. So from the 4-hour charts, we can see we've been creating this ascending channel. Every time we did drop, the price did drop, as you guys can see right here. Let me mark them. We did see a bounce. So now the question is, once again, we are at an area of support. Let's take a closer look right here. Yes, this right here, people are worried about. So I do have some new information and I'm going to give you guys my price prediction. So if we take a look right here, we have been consolidating in between this ascending channel. To confirm a breakout to the upside or downside, we need to pay attention to the $22,500 price level and $22,200 price level. What do I mean? Well, if we want to see Bitcoin price break out to the upside, we need to see the daily and the 4-hour charts close candles above 22,500 to confirm a pump to 22,800. That is my price prediction for the Bitcoin price. That's the bullish scenario. Now, for the bearish scenario, we need to close the daily and the 4-hour chart candles below 22,200. If this happens, that means we're heading down to possibly 21,300. Those are some possible price predictions we can see, and those are my price predictions, bullish and bearish scenarios this week. So what do we see here, guys? Currently, guys, we have been consolidating between these two lines, this ascending channel, guys, right here. We've been forming this, and people are worried. Why? Well, let's take a look right here on the Fibonacci. Yes, this is the daily time frame. We are currently at the 0.618 golden Fibonacci. There are people betting that we are going to see a bounce because this is the 0.618 golden Fibonacci. But if we see a correction to the downside, we're going to be testing the 0.786 the 0.786 Fibonacci, and that means we're going to break this uptrend. So we're going to break this trend, and that's going to be a bearish indicator that we may see a big correction to possibly $20,000. So that is why people are putting more money right now, betting that the Bitcoin price is going to pump. Why? Well, we do have some more proof here. Let's take a look. We do have some new information. Right here, a couple hours ago, this line was formed on the HTF liquidity. What does this mean? Well, this means people are entering long positions now and entering their stop loss at what price? 21,900. So, as a Bitcoin whale, we need to be very careful because it looks like the Bitcoin whales may very well dump the price to liquidate and make lots of money here. As you guys can see, we do have two major red lines that have lots of money right here at 21,900 and 21,300. This is why I say if we see a correction to the downside, this means what? We are going to be testing the 0.786 Fibonacci, which is 21,300. But on the other hand, if we do see a bounce to the upside, this means we're going to head to 22,800, which is the 0.5 Fibonacci. Thus, that's why I do have my price prediction set at 22,800 for the bullish scenario and 21,300 for the bearish scenario. So looking here, the weekly candle closed around 22,300. It's not bearish, but it's also not bullish because we do have two red candles in between this green candle. So this upcoming week is going to be very important for the Bitcoin price. Which way am I leaning more towards? Well, I do expect the price of Bitcoin to bounce from here. Why? Well, let's take a look at the S&P 500. Last week we formed a green candle. We saw this bounce, which is a good sign. Also, the US dollar. We are seeing some rejection around the 105, 104 area. So this means, yes, eventually it's going to get weaker, and we may see the price of the DXY head down. So we need to pay very close attention once the US markets open tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. It's almost here, guys. So I do expect this to cause the price of Bitcoin to bounce. So that is my price prediction on the Bitcoin price and technical analysis looking from, at the Bitcoin price. With that said, guys, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis on the Bitcoin price, and make sure to go check out this video right here because YouTube is recommending it. With that said, peace.